Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're exploring the 5 best battery saver apps for Android. I'll walk you through each app's features and design, so you can find the one that fits your needs best. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have AmperFlow Battery Speed, an app with a solid 4.4 rating out of 5 and more than 49,000 reviews. This app is designed to give you detailed insights into your battery's performance, charging speed, and overall health. Here are 3 standout features. Precise battery percent, shows exact charge levels with decimal accuracy. Real-time wattage reading, lets you monitor charging speed live in amps and watts. Charge speed, battery health, and temperature. Gives you a complete view of your phone's power status. Now let's take a quick look at the interface. When you open the Details tab, you immediately see live stats like charging speed, voltage, and health. Moving to Look and Feel, you can adjust animations and customize how your battery info appears. In Settings, you'll find controls for alerts, themes, and other personalization options. The History section stores past charging data, so you can track performance over time. And finally, App Usage gives you an overview of how different apps impact your battery. AmperFlow combines accuracy with a sleek design, making it a powerful tool for anyone who wants full control over their phone's battery life. At number 4 on our list, we have Avast Cleanup, an Android cleaner app with a 4.1 rating out of 5 and over 1 million reviews. This app helps you free up storage, remove junk, and optimize your device for better performance. Here are 3 standout features. Storage analysis. Quickly identifies unnecessary files, large apps, and media taking up space. Photo and App Cleaner. Cleans your photo library and removes apps you no longer use. Background App Control. Stops background apps efficiently using accessibility permission. Now let's take a look at the interface. Tapping the 3 horizontal lines opens the main menu, where you can access all features and settings. The sleep mode option helps save battery by pausing unused apps in the background automatically. And the quick scan button lets you analyze storage, clean junk, and optimize performance in just a few taps. Avast Cleanup combines simplicity with efficiency, making it a reliable tool for keeping your Android device fast and clutter-free. At number 3 on our list, we have Battery Guru, an Android app with a 4.3 rating out of 5 and over 28,000 reviews. This app lets you monitor your battery's health, usage, and performance in real time, giving you detailed insights and alerts to keep your device running smoothly. Here are 3 standout features. Clear battery overview. See all essential battery stats at a glance with a simple, easy-to-use interface. High drain app detection. Identify which apps consume the most power and make informed decisions about usage. Battery usage analysis. Track where your power is going and optimize efficiency over time. Now let's walk through the interface. The Battery Info tab provides an overview of your battery percentage, health, and capacity. The Electric Current section shows real-time ampere readings for precise charging metrics. In the Ongoing tab, you can monitor apps and processes that are actively using power. The Battery Temperature screen helps you track your device's thermal status during use and charging. Finally, the Battery Health section lets you view long-term statistics and monitor battery wear over time. Battery Guru combines real-time monitoring with an intuitive design, making it a powerful tool for anyone who wants full control over their device's battery. At number 2 on our list, we have Greenify, an Android app with a 4.2 rating out of 5 and over 309,000 reviews. This app helps you save battery and improve performance by putting misbehaving apps into hibernation when they are not actively in use. Here are 3 standout features. Aggressive Doze maximizes battery savings on Android 6 and above, even without root. App Hibernation prevents apps from running in the background unless you actively launch them. Automatic Hibernation uses lightweight background services to hibernate apps without draining CPU or battery. Now let's explore the interface. The plus button allows you to add apps that you want to hibernate. The 3 dots menu gives access to additional options and advanced controls. In Settings, you can configure features like Aggressive Doze and Doze on the Go for maximum efficiency. Finally, the Create Hibernation shortcut option lets you quickly hibernate selected apps directly from your home screen. Greenify combines simplicity with powerful automation, making it a must-have tool to keep your Android device fast and battery-friendly. At number 1 on our list, we have Accu Battery, an Android app with a 4.4 rating out of 5 and over 538,000 reviews. This app helps you track battery health, monitor usage, and measure charging performance to maximize your device's lifespan. Here are 3 standout features. Track battery health. Monitor how charging impacts your battery and maintain its overall capacity. Review past battery usage. See detailed app-by-app consumption and understand where your power goes. Get real-time discharge statistics, monitor battery drain as it happens for more accurate insights. Now let's explore the interface. The charging tab shows your current charging speed, estimated time remaining, and battery wear for that session. The discharging tab displays real-time usage statistics, showing how quickly your battery is draining in different conditions. In health, you can track total battery capacity, estimated wear, and see how your battery is aging over time. The History tab provides past charging and discharging sessions, letting you review trends and patterns. Finally, the 3 dots menu gives access to extra settings, customization options, and app preferences. Accu battery combines scientific measurement with an intuitive interface, making it the ultimate tool to keep your Android battery healthy and efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tips.